Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we need to find rank. Write a solution to find the rank of the scores. The ranking should be calculated according to the following rules. The scores should be ranked from the highest to the lowest. If there is a tie between two scores, both should have the same ranking. After a tie, the next ranking number should be the next consecutive integer value. In other words, there should be no holes between ranks. Return the result table ordered by score in descending order. For this we need to use dense rank function because there is no holes when tie. Just use this window function, we'll get the output. Now copy-paste the same code in MySQL server, there run code, we get the output. Now copy-paste the same code in Oracle server, there run code, we get the output. Now copy-paste the same code in PostgreSQL, there run code, we get the output. That's all for today. See you tomorrow in another interesting coding challenge.